Driving home from Yosefa AntiquiTea in a freaking blizzard.
Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands. I don't know that song.
These roads are really, really slick, and I'm like sliding all over. Like, wow. Look at that. I mean, it's blowing sideways. Can you see it? Can you catch it blowing sideways?
Poor people having to walk out. Haha, losers.
They're so mean.
Survival of the fittest.
Uh-oh, we're passing them by. Oh, speed limit's 35 and I'm going 22. I'm a rebel.
Hardcore American.
That's right. Can't stop me.
Oh, yeah.
What is your thing you say? Can't be tamed.
Can't be tamed. I'm too metal for this.
Too metal for this.
But yeah, there's the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in February.